Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with something truly special. Here with me, I've got the Shirogorov TI2 Design Hawaiian F95 here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at that? Classic Shirogorov black box. You've got your beauty right over here, microfiber cloth, and of course you've got your certificate of authenticity, and then you're gonna find this ridiculously gorgeous knife right over here. Shirogorov F95 Hawaiian etched, made by TI2 Design. This is just gorgeous. It's a fantastic knife. It was available in a lottery from Recon 1. It is just unbelievable. It's just beautiful. One of the nicest looking F95. Really gorgeous etch going on. It's a fantastic one. It's classic F95 size, 875-inch long overall in length, with a 375-inch long stone washed M390 blade. Just gorgeous, guys. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's just fantastic. Really crazy, nice jimping going on. You've got the classic one chamfer, pocket clip, hidden screw, titanium frame lock, internally skeletonized, beautifully designed flipper tab, drop point blade. I mean, guys, this is the F95. It's classic. This is not the slim version, so this is just like the regular thickness for the scales and for the blade, but it's just fantastic. Also, it's really not that heavy. I think this guy is like 4.4 ounces, so let me just double check. Look at that, 4.54, yeah, 4.55 ounces. So that's very good in the pocket. Look at that. I mean, fantastic satin standoff, lanyard hole on this scale, blade absolutely centered, multi-row bearing system. Guys, action is just classic action. Stainless steel lock face insert. I mean, you've got all the goodies that you can find in a 3 bears Shirogorov. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.